Hello, do you want to make a real simple picture frame spline jig? Let's do it together. Come on. This blueprint is available in the description below to make this real simple picture frame spline jig. To get started, we're going to cut two pieces at 5 by 11.5. And then we're going to cut two more pieces down to 5 by 5 squares. And then we're going to cut one more piece down to 10 by 11.5. Now we're going to take the bottom and the front and attach them together. Now we're going to take the two 5 by 5 squares. We're going to cut them in half to create 4 equal triangles. Two of those triangles will be used as braces between the bottom and the front to create a perfect 90-degree angle. The other two triangles will be attached to the front to create support for the picture frame when we're cutting out the splines. And then the last thing to do is to take it for a test drive. Now the blueprint and the tools will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching.